Chandra, and I come from Maluku Barat Daya. Today, I would like to present a new report about the use of English as a foreign language in treaty areas, especially in Maluku Barat Daya. English is an important language for communication, education, and future opportunities. However, learning English in remote areas like Maluku Barat Daya is still challenging. In this report, I will share my personal experience, the problem faced by students, solution, and recommendation for better English learning in treaty areas. Personal experience. I started learning English when I was in junior high school. At the time, I felt confused, afraid, and sometimes nervous because English was a new language for me. I did not fully understand what the teacher said in English, especially when the teacher explained grammar and pronunciation. Sometimes I found it difficult to follow the lesson because my vocabulary was limited. I also did not have many learning facilities such as English books, internet access, or language learning media. Even though it was difficult, I tried to keep learning English step by step. Personal problem faced. There are several problems in learning English in Maluku Barat Daya. The first, students have limited vocabulary, so they find it difficult to understand English text and conversation. The second, pronunciation is difficult because students rarely hear native or correct English pronunciation. The third, there is minimal practice in speaking English in daily life. Fourth, the learning environment does not fully support English communication because students usually use local language and Indonesian. The fifth, learning facilities such as internet books and media are still limited in some areas. These problems make English learning more challenging for students in treaty areas. Solution to overcome the problems. To overcome these problems, students try several solutions. The first, learning independently by watching YouTube videos, listening to English songs, and watching English movies. The second, asking teacher and friends when they do not understand the lesson. The third, practicing simple English conversation in daily activities. Fourth, using a dictionary and Google Translate to understand new vocabulary. Through these simple efforts, students can slowly improve their English skill. Condition in Maluku Barat Daya. The condition of English learning in Maluku Barat Daya is still developing. Many students are interested in learning English, but they need more support from teacher, school, and government. The biggest challenge in treaty areas are limited facilities, lack of learning media, and limited access to technology and internet. However, students still have strong motivation to learn English for their future. For teachers. Teachers should use contextual teaching methods by connecting English learning with local culture in daily life. Teachers should also give more speaking practice to students. Using sample media such as audio, mobile phones, and learning videos can help students understand English better. For government, the government should provide better learning facilities such as internet access, English books, and learning media. Training for English teacher is also important to improve the quality of teaching in treaty areas. Support from the government can help students in remote areas learn English more effectively. Closing news. In conclusion, English is very important for the future. even in remote areas like Maluku Barat Daya. Although there are many challenges, students still try their best to learn. With support from teacher, government, and learning facilities, English education in tricky areas can improve in the future. Hopefully, English learning in Maluku Barat Daya will become better and help students achieve their dreams. Thank you for watching. Good morning and see you. Bye bye.